There it is. They broke the strap. It just broke it at the end though, so it's fine. You can still use it. We'll pull it onto the pad and turn it off so you don't overheat it. All right, go ahead.
It's already straight.
We got this thing pretty damn straight. We're getting there. Pretty damn straight. And the radiator is not even punctured. It was the hose has a tear in it. Right at the end too, so we can just cut it off and probably reuse it.
Yeah, it's got a lot of extra in there.
And if not, I probably have some hoses.
Well, should be fun. We're getting out of this scot-free.
Hold on.
Your door was free too, right?
No, 65.
You're not doing it.
This is for show, Justin.
It was almost a totally free accident.
Throw that hood prop up there. Oh, let's see if the hood comes anywhere close to fitting. Oops. Oh my God!
Oh, wait, the other one's off now.
Oh no! Well, it's because it's bent right there. You got to give it the people's elbow, Jake.
I don't know.
Come on, you got it.
I don't think it's
Come
gonna
on.
work. It seems like it's a little.
Come on, people's elbow.
Man, I just
Come
don't
on.
think it's gonna work.
You got to do it.
This my shit.
That's the people's shoulder, bro.
Hey, look at that.
Oh!
That's
Oh!
like perfectly lined
That
up.
is flush.
It's actually it went past it.
All right, let's where's that wrench?
The bike's on this side over here.
No, wrong way. Other way. Other way.
Huh?
Other way.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Stop.
Wiggle with it, yeah.
Fucking tits. No. Oh.
It's just the end. It was fine. No.
What? You're making it worse, bro.
No, it's not.
You just added a crease that wasn't there.
You just added
It's flatter now. That pin went in my butt. Oh, it kind of injured me.
I'm glad.
It's just gonna always be a little ripply.
Little floppy.
A little ripply.
Not if you keep body slamming it into submission.
All right, let's stop talking about it and start doing it.
Doing what?
Getting this thing fixed. Oh, you need the channel locks for this. Money.
I mean, for real
Pristine.
though. If anybody needs any body work, let me know. $100 an hour. It's pretty cheap, I think, for body work. And you get this. This is an example. Prime.
Target morning.
Yeah, and it's not. It's better than.
In the video?
Forever.
In the last?
Forever. Have you watched me drifting? It's currently.
Yeah. Luckily, I can hear my engine over yours, and it sounds like America, not. It's like fucking terrible.
You see
It's
the
like-
video when Frank's drifting? You can't even hear Frank's car. It's just Jake behind him.
It's just, you just know that I'm trying harder.
It's not even that bad out on the track though. It's the the 8086s and shit that are just like.
Screaming.
It's so bad. I love the cars. It's great and all. Just headphones.
And it's got no exhaust.
And it's got no radiator or air filter, but it could in 15 minutes.
Put this thing back together.
Putting fucking gloves on.
Look at this shit. Look, free 99. We got e-brake Jake back there, unhooking the battery charger. It's fucking thunderstorming and shit. We got a Miata in the background. But look at this. I mean, it's really not too bad.
Structurally sound.
You're right, it's just got a good dent in it, but it's fine. Put that where it will not get wet.
I don't.
So he puts it directly in the wet. Unplug it first, you fucking retard.
I need help.
You don't need help, it's a plug. Right under the table's good, right there. Thank you. This fucking guy. This fucking guy.
Oh, right down my back.
That's why. Oh, there it is. There's your fucking solution right there, bro. Fucking magnet light.
Wait.
Send it.
Hold on.
You need to realign your headlight, sir.
No, it's good right here. See, that's the low beam, and then you
Nice.
set your high beam.
Can you put it on flasher?
Nah, I think it just does that. Ah!
My camera can't even keep up with that.
You're giving me a hemorrhoid.
A hemorrhoid. It's raining.
Actually, I haven't even seen it on YouTube.
Oh, you about to see it on YouTube.
Someone just told
You're gonna
me
see
to.
yourself doing it on YouTube. Yeah, that's what we want to see. That's better. Go through the lower hose. All right, stay tuned. Here you go, bro. Look at you. What in the fuck? Tires just falling out of nowhere. Good job, Justin.
That's fucking scary.
Ghosts.
It is ghost season, spirit season. I did break.
Push it down. It's this child safety lock, Jake. I know it's a confusing thing to you.
Yes, I'm child.
Hose, water, and coolant, bro. Send it.
Full send.
Yeah, buddy. Hooray.
Yay!
Jake's happy.
Yay!
Yay.
Very wet.
And wet. Fuck yeah. Well, I'm confident that we're good.
I think we're good.
Take a sledge to that thing and beat it over to the left a little more, and or you know, just send it. Oh, my ears.
Yeah.
That was really
I
loud.
don't think I like that. I think we're gonna send a piece of metal flying off into my eye.
Yeah, nah, just it's all right. It'll be all right.
Leave it be.
Lightning still. We still having lightning back here. All right, well, yeah, I think we're gonna conclude this here video.
You can't see the lightning with the flashlight down.
I think we're gonna conclude this here video, Jake. Bye. Bye, everybody. And I just did see the fucking I just saw the fucking flash of lightning off your face. This bastard needs to go back together soon once I get the axle boot, and that'll be good to go. Yeah. Bye. Have a wonderful time.